What's up, Realm Team? It's Trent Energy tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Yes, Realm Team, Realm Team, Realm Team. We in that money stage where we got to get our pockets right. We got to get this money, folks, in order to enjoy life. I'm pretty sure you've heard of that statement, money makes the world go around. That's not really true. Money doesn't make the world go around. The world goes around because of the solar system. The solar system is what makes the world turn. However, the solar system or who created the solar system and make it work like that's the reason why the world rotates and turns the way it does. So money does not make the world go around. However, you need money in order to live an abundant life. Like you need money to live a great lifestyle, folks, and that's very important. Once upon a time, I had to come to the realization that I actually needed money in order to make myself feel good. You know what I mean? A lot of people that don't have no money like to say money doesn't make you happy. Folks, money makes you very, very happy. Like, I'm super happy right now because I'm at a point in my life. I wasn't always at this point, but I'm at a point in my life right now where I have money. And it's like I have this new life. And once upon a time, I was trying to get to this point, And so that's why I'm about to tell you now, folks, how to manifest a lot of money with no money like this. This is how you manifest money, folks. And I'm going to work with you because we Realm Team members, folks. We are Realm Team members. But if you're new to this channel or if you're just not subscribing to this channel, whatever the case may be, if you have not subscribed already, please make sure you press subscribe down here in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Or if you're on your cell phone, look below this video, right below the thumbs up, thumbs down icon, right beside it, hit subscribe. Make sure that you press the bell, though, folks, so that you can be updated with all the latest videos and then notify you on your cell phone or whatever. And go ahead and get this video a thumbs up, folks, if you confirm the fact that you will be abundant or that you are abundant right now. I know I'm abundant right now. And I'm going to tell you how I got here. I'm going to tell you some of the things that you need to do in order to manifest money with no money, because it's possible, folks. The world is mental. The world is mental. Everything you see was created by thoughts in the mind, folks. Most of us were led to believe that you actually have to work hard to get money. You don't have to work hard to get money. The only reason why you would have to work hard to get money is because somebody never told you how easy it is to make money. It's like the workers do all the work, but the bosses just go out and vacay around the whole country and take trips and stuff like that and have all the fun. You know why? Because they got the most intelligence. The bosses and the superintendents and the managers and the presidents and the big people of the company and the CEOs and the founders, they get to chill and sit back and kick their feet up and sip lemonade on the beach, folks, because they're using their brain to actually make the money rather than using all their effort, and all their strength. You can be the biggest guy, right? You're super big. I know some people that are like super big, but they're just soft as a teddy bear when you get to talk to them. They be like, yeah, man. He be like, this is big. He be like, yeah, man. Yeah, me too, man. Like, dude, you're really throwing me off right here. But nah, seriously, folks, you got to manifest money by thinking about money as something that's not important, but at the same time, it's what you should know that is a necessity in order for you to actually take that trip to Dubai. I was just morning, I was looking at some places in Dubai or whatever, and whatnot. I like the Palm Islands. So I had my friend with me and we was looking at, some properties in the Palm Islands. And we, the way we look at money is totally different from, I think, a lot of people would look at money. Like we had our eyes on this 8-bedroom. I think it was a villa, 8-bedroom, 6,623 square feet. Right there, the beach is right there behind the house. Palm Island. Look up Palm Island in Dubai. Yeah, we be going there. And we was just like, that's like $13. When we seen $13,000 for 10 days, I'm like, you know what? That's like $13. Because they got a business. And I got a business. So, to us in our mind, we thinking of it like, that's $13. That's just like $13 for us. But see, the reason why we think like that, folks, is because that's what it took for us to get to where we are now then. You see what I'm saying? If we would have looked at $13,000 like, oh man, I gotta save up 5 paychecks to get $13,000, then the universe would never have ever brought opportunities our way. You see what I'm saying? It's like when you think about money small, like in a small way, like, like it's just candy in the candy store. You can easily go get that. It's like the universe responds to that. The universe gonna respond to all your thoughts about how small and how easy it is to obtain money to you, and actually start giving you money, folks. Like, it's gonna be people that come into your life that want to do things with you, and they're gonna give you money. They're gonna give you money, 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 money. Just like I give people money, and just like people give me money, getting in the money, getting in that money phase, folks. It's like you stepping into the ocean of abundance. Right now you might not be in the ocean of abundance. Right now you might not be in the money phase of your life because, like I said, you probably was just like me, programmed around people who never really had any money. So all your life growing up, you thought that it was hard to obtain a lot of money. But listen, folks, I'm on the other side and I'm looking back to tell you, if you might have been, or if you are in my position, folks, it's just your thinking. You got to think of it as something that's easy to obtain. And the next thing you know, all the opportunities will come into your life and start giving you money. Like you'll have to go through a circumstance, or whether the type of situation you in, you will go through a series of chain of events, folks, that will just lead you to having just large amounts of money over a small course of time. Like I did. Once upon a time, like I was scared to look at my bank statements. I ain't never want to know how much money I got in the bank. You know what I mean? Like, no, I don't even want to look. I don't want to know. I just spend it at that. I just spend this out here today. I'm not going to look at my bank account and see I ain't got no money. No, that's going to make my self-esteem go down. And I'm trying to keep my energy, my positive energy way up here. You know what I mean? And so it's crazy because when I actually looked at my bank statement one time, I was surprised. This was just recently. This was just recently because, like I said, I had been using the law of attraction and doing all the things that I'm telling you right now to attract, these things into my life. And so I looked at my bank statement just recently, and I'm just like, wow, I make that much money? Like, I make that much money to where I'm spending this much money every month? Wow. Wow. Then I really started checking my bank account, and I was, finding that I actually make pretty good money. You see what I'm saying? And so, like I said, folks, in order to manifest a lot of money with no money, you literally have to start thinking of money as like construction paper, or it's just candy in the candy store. Like, it's just something that comes into your life because you're just money. You're just money. Like, if you're riding a car or something, you don't want that car, act like you riding in your new car. You know what I mean? It's a mind thing. All it is a mind thing, folks. It don't matter if you got like some rundown clothes, if your watch don't tick or whatever. It don't matter. Wear the watch. I was talking to a guy yesterday, and I was gonna give him my business card because he was asking for my business card because I told him what I do, and he told me he worked with men's or boys, in a home, in a group home and whatnot. And so I was like, cool, man. Have these boys check me out on YouTube and whatnot. And right before I was about to give him my business card, I played a little joke with him. I was like, nope, I'm not gonna give you the business card until you give me your watch. He was like, man, you don't want this watch. It don't tick. And then when he said that, because I seen a nice gold watch. It looked like a Rolex or something, folks, and it was nice. But he told me a truth, which was, Trentus, you don't want this watch. It don't even tick, bro. It don't even tick. But I don't know if he didn't have no batteries in it. I don't know if it was a fake watch. It was a toy watch. I don't know. But he told me the truth about it. And when he told me that, it made me think about the things I used to do in order to law of attract things into my life. Yes, I was that same guy. I was that same guy. I used to wear broken stuff that didn't work, but I tried to make it work the best way I know how so that I could act like I had it. I had to fake it till I make it. I had to act like I had that Mercedes until I have that Mercedes. You know what I mean? Now I don't even want the Mercedes no more. Now I want something smaller. You see what I'm saying? But I had to, when I was riding in my Honda, when I first got it, when I was riding in my Eagle Talon that I bought for $300, I remember to this day, a lady seen me walking so much to work every day back in the day. She seen me walking to work so much and going to get it. I had to walk at least 3 miles to get to work every day. You know what I mean? She came beside me one day on the road and she was like, hey man, hey, baby boy, I see you walking every day to work. Come to my house. I got a surprise for you when you get out. And I went to her house. She gave me her car for $300, man. And I had a little Eagle Talon. And after that, I had a little Honda. A little two-door Honda. I remember in school, I had the 12s in the back, the system and everything. It wasn't nothing. It was a cheap car, folks. But I had it hooked up like I had it like that. You feel me? And I didn't have it like that. I was struggling, just like most people are. I was struggling. But I treated the car like it was a Mercedes, right? I would treat it like it was a Mercedes. I kept it clean. Every girl I was dating at the time, oh my God, I could not keep her out of my car. What you doing today? Nothing. Can you come and get me? She just wanted to ride in a Honda with them 12s in the back booming. Boom, 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 boom. You know how I was rolling back in the day. You know, young kid doing it big. You know, working at the music labels and stuff, doing it big. But I had a Honda. I wasn't really doing it big. But in my mind, I was doing it big. And then, little did I know, I was attracting something totally different into my life. Next thing you know, my daddy called me up. Ring, 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 ring. Hey, man, I just want you to know, man, it's a Mercedes over here, man, and it got your name written all over it, man. I just thought about you when I seen it. Why are you going to think about me to get a Mercedes? Man, I can't afford a Mercedes. Man, look, they said they want to work with you, man, for real. They want to work with me? What you mean? I didn't understand nothing about this at the time. You know what I'm saying? I didn't understand nothing about how the law of attraction was actually bringing me to getting me a new Mercedes. You see what I'm saying? I didn't know that this was working at the time. I was just trying to better myself and make myself better, make my life better, make other people's lives better, make the world a better place. And then I finally arrived today, right here, telling you right now, in the midst of looking back on what I was doing and understanding why I am here right now with you, telling you these same things that's gonna help you make a lot of money and help you manifest a lot of money. Maybe even get you a brand new Mercedes. You see what I'm saying? And so it is possible that you can manifest a lot of money with no money if you just think that money always comes to you. Just think that it's coming to you. And don't ever think that you have to like slave to make money. You don't have to slave to make a lot of money, folks. You don't have to pick cotton. You don't have to like put out all this effort and go hard. If you're not having any fun, what is life, folks? What is life if you're not having any fun while you're out here trying to make a living? I know some people that try to focus on making a living so much, they stale. They don't got no life. You know what I mean? I used to tell my daddy that all the time. I used to be like, yo, why you always at work? I work overtime, man. I got this much money, man. What type of job pay you that much money? Boy, I got some money, boy. Boy, you don't know your daddy got some money. But yeah, Dad, but you never enjoy yourself. You're always working. You know what I mean? You're always working 24/7, 365. Where do you get to spend this money? Whose life are you living? Are you living the company's life or are you living your life? Just to say that you're earning money don't mean that you can actually enjoy it. You can earn it, but are you enjoying the money that you're earning? That's what life is all about. So folks, you got to keep in mind when you do manifest this money, you gotta take yourself out of the thinking of you're so strict on yourself about making money that you forget that life is a fun thing. You know, life is a theme park, folks. We're supposed to have fun you're supposed to be waking up every day doing whatever that is you want to do. Money just supposed to be flowing into you. That's how money flow to me. Every day I wake up, I got money in my bank account. Every day I wake up, I got a new person to talk to like you. Every day, folks. This is the life that I've manifested. And so I'm saying that to say it's possible. You know, you got to be a person that's strictly focused on feeling like you are a money vessel. And this is an easy feeling to conjure up. Because all you got to do is think of yourself as a worthy person who deserves it all. You deserves it all. You know, one thing to help me realize that I deserved it all was I had to realize that scripture that I used to always read. You are made in the image of God. You are made in the image of Christ. This is a powerful statement alone. I'm made in the image of God. I'm made in the image of God. They talking about me? Yes, son. You. What? Went crazy. Started believing in myself. Started treating myself like I deserved the better things rather than the crumbs. You know, I started speaking my mind and expressing myself how I really feel rather than being scared around people. I'm made in the image of God. I'm going to act like it. If I say, let there be light, It better be some light. If I say money is coming to me, money is coming to me. If I say I am rich, I am rich. If I say I am abundant, then I'm abundant. Everything is going to happen for me. If you say these things, folks, say these things over yourself. Confirm it, folks. Whatever you are, confirm it. Speak it into the universe, folks. Speak it into the universe. But anyway, folks, y'all been talking to some real team members lately, man, and we've been chopping it up about money, and they're already doing good. And some of these folks, I think they started, within the last 24 hours, I had like 2 people to actually sign up and get on this path or whatever. And I get a message this morning, people already manifesting stuff that quick. And I swear I just updated the website like no more than 24 hours ago. Was it 24 hours? I don't even think it was 24 hours ago. And I'm already getting messages from 2 people that already signed up. You know, who I've been talking to personally on text messaging, who signed up and helping them, folks. The 3-point subconscious class that I just created. I told you guys in a live video yesterday that I would create this class. I created the class, folks. 2 people already signed up, and none hit me up talking about they manifesting things already. That fast. All I did was tell them some secrets. All I did was tell them some secrets about how to manifest things and exactly what they needed to do. And I guess they went out and done it. And they already showing me results and sending me pictures and stuff. I'm not going to get into the personal details about it. But, folks, if you want to sign up, I'm going to put this in the description section. You gotta find it. It's all those links in there. You got to find that link where it says 3-point subconscious class. I'm going to also put it in the comment section, folks. You can sign up in the comment section there, too. And I have some more classes in there, too. I even have the Vortex class in there where I teach you about everything you need to know about the law of attraction for 7 days, 7 hours, 1 hour a day for 7 days. Folks, I can teach you everything you need to know and bring you into the vortex, you know, the world of complete abundance, where everything just comes to you at the right time, where you wake up and do whatever you want to do every single day of your life. Money is flowing to you. You don't have to worry about nobody, because who you got to worry about? You know, you're just giving things to people. You're just helping people most of the time, and then money is just coming to you. You ain't got no problems. I don't have problems, folks. You know what I mean? But, you know, we do go through those ups and downs from time to time. We do go through those ups and downs in life. But I hope that you will be on a path of progression while you're experiencing those ups and downs. You don't want to be stagnant and be standing there in the same place, experiencing adversities and setbacks and stuff if you're not moving, folks. That's why you have to make action. You have to make a lot of sacrifices to get you to where you want to be. That way, 5 years from now, you'll look back and say, I actually made a sacrifice to get me where I am now. I know me personally, I took a lot of risks. I spent a lot of money. My mama will tell you, I spent a lot of money, you know, even with the infamous Living Room Network. I spent a lot of money sacrificing in the camera equipment. Look, I'm still doing it now. Look at the lighting in the background. I sacrificed so much money that I didn't even know I'm going to get back. But I do it anyway, and it always turned out to come back to me. So I'm telling you the same thing, folks. If you want to make that move and talk to me personally, you know, I can help you law of attract anything and manifest anything that you want into your life, folks. But you have to take the necessary steps to actually sign up. It's that simple. I'm not going to say any more. If you come, you come. If you don't, the ship keep moving along, folks. In the next 5 years, those 2 people that already signed up, they're going to be in the vortex. They're going to be abundant. They're going to be manifesting things, because I ain't going to let them go down. Okay? So thank y'all so much for tuning in. I know money is a touchy topic, folks, but we got to have it. We got to have this money. We got to have money. If we're going to be a successful RIM team unit, we got to be well off, folks, and have money in our pockets. Money is important, okay? So in the meantime, folks, I'll see y'all in the next